Hey everybody, it's Jenny and I'm back to share with you how I planned this week in my mini vertical happy planner. Here is a look at last week. I loved this week. I was so excited about it. It was adorable. But this week we're moving on. So this is the week of Easter. So I am going to use these really super cute stickers that I got from Plantasia print shop. I just loved the little bunny and the color palette was a little bit different. So I am really excited about it. And these decoratives are so cute. Anyway, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the pages out. I'm also going to decorate first. This is a couple of reasons. It'll help me get my plans down there better. And then also, I feel like it will, because it's not my regular planner and it's not as imperative that I get, all the things in there, this will work, is my point. So let's get started. I'm just kind of trying to figure out, so I'm looking at these stickers and I'm thinking about how I want to use a bunny, first of all. Second of all, there's several different color backgrounds here. So we've got like this medium blue, we've got this navy blue, we've got this lavender, we've got a darker purple, and we've got white. So I don't want to use, say for example, 2 white backgrounds and then a medium blue. Okay, I want to vary it and use one of each. But then I also want to make sure that I'm sort of balancing things. So this one has a wreath, this one has a swag, a bunny, a swag. So I don't want to use like say 3 swag stickers, okay? So if I choose a bunny, so for example this guy, and then I choose a swag, then I need to either use another bunny, like a full body bunny, that sounds weird, doesn't it? Or the wreath, or maybe none of the above, and then I use one of these guys instead. So I think that I'm going to start on Monday by adding, let's just get the week going right. I'm going to use this sort of periwinkle guy over here for Monday. I'm going to put him in the Monday morning spot. And then I'm thinking about the rest of my week. I know Thursday I have a lot of plans. Friday, not many. Saturday, I have one thing going on. So my point, Tuesday super busy, couple of things Wednesday. So where am I going to put my next decorative? I'm thinking maybe down here and then maybe something up here, okay? So again, I want to sort of keep things balanced, if you will, and so I'm trying to figure out the best way to do that. I'm going to try this. We'll see how it works. I'm not going to go all the way to the bottom, which is what I would typically do. This time I decided that it might be fun to go a little bit further, closer to the middle, and then add something really adorable up here. So I think that one of these really cute wreaths would be super fun up there. Now, I kind of want to do this guy because he's got a lot of color as opposed to a lot of white. And because I'm not going to be adding him with something else, I think he could be just right. I feel like he's a little naked though. He needs a little something. So maybe just a tiny bit of this little washi would be perfect. So I'm just going to take the edge of my sticker sheet, give myself a line. I'm all about just I don't know, playing it by ear, I guess, like just making it work. So I'm going to pull the edge of this wreath up just a tiny bit so that I can add the sticker right there. Oh, she's kind of upside down. So I'm going to flip her around so she's not upside down. I don't know. Do you think the bunny's a girl? I'm not really sure. Anyway, okay, so then I'll just cut that little edge off. You know, I love to take things all the way to the edge, so that's no big surprise there. And let's see. Yeah, that's cute-ish. I'm not 100% convinced I love this, to be honest. I think that maybe maybe what I'll do, all right, this is kind of crazy, so go with me here. I'm not sure it's gonna work either, but I'm gonna try it because I don't really love what I'm doing instead. So I'm gonna take this purple box down at the bottom. I'm going to trim just this part of this sticker. I don't want to cut the top sticker, and I don't want to cut this part either. I'm going to take this guy. I'm going to hope this all works. We'll see. All right, I'm going to pull the wreath back off. Again, I'm hopeful I can reuse it because I still really like it, but I don't love how that ended up. So yes, I know there's other tactics I could use to get the sticker up, by the way. I know I could use undo. I know that I could try a piece of dental floss. I know that I could do all kinds of other things. I don't really care that much. I have plenty of other stickers should this not work out. So it's really not that big of a deal to me. Okay, so I'm going to place this right there. And then I'm going to try the wreath. Right there. Yeah, maybe it's the wreath I don't like. I don't know. I would ask you your thoughts, but by the time I read the comments, I'll be already on to something else, so it doesn't, I would love your opinions, but it's not going to help me with this particular layout, if you hear what I'm saying. All right, I'm gonna take this little guy and see if maybe he ends up a little bit better for me right here. No, I don't think he does. I think it's just, maybe I'm just not pleased with the entire thing. All right, now I do have an idea. There's this adorable little bunny head. You see that? I'm gonna see if I can make him look like he's peeking out over the weekend banner. There we go. Okay, much better, much cuter. I feel much more satisfied with that. Now we can move on to our regularly scheduled programming. Okay, I'm gonna take my Happy Planner bullet stickers and I'm just gonna pull out this one sheet of pink ones and use those throughout the week. And what I like about that is that there aren't any other pink ones in this kit. There are some pink elements on the bunnies, and so that's what I'm going to be pulling in here. So I'm just going to, I have a baseball game on this evening, so I'm going to put that right there. And then we have 3 activities on Tuesday, but I don't think that I'm going to use that. Actually, now I'm going to change my mind. I'm going to go back to the hearts and just use all hearts, I think, for that cohesiveness. It wouldn't be normally what I would do, but I think for this would be great. These hearts also feel like they're extraordinarily tiny. I'm not really sure if they are or not, but they feel like it. Okay, now on Thursday, I'm going to also pull out some box stickers as well. So I don't have anything there, but I do have a game down here. Oh, you know what? Now that I think about it, I actually have a game up on top too. So a couple of bullet points there. There we go. I'm also going to pull out, let's see, I think I'll stick with black. I was going to maybe try a different color of the brush lettering pens, but I think I'm going to stick with black. I'm just going to put the word no right here. and then I'll write with my regular pen school underneath it. Okay, so now I'm going to go back and add boxes to Tuesday and Thursday. And I'm actually really excited about that because I think that will add some really cool balance. Now, I'm not sure, some of my sticker books are starting to run low on stickers, so I'm not sure what I'm going to have that matches, but we are going to find all of the things that work great. I actually probably could have used a blue too, given the fact that there's so much blue in this kit, and I still might do that. But I do really like the balance of the pink as well, because it's just a little bit of something different. All right, now let's look at those blues. I think these blues go nicely. So I think for Thursday, we are going to have that turned out great. I actually really love that. I love the way it overlaps with that bunny sticker. I think that's really, really cute. So see that little faux pas up in the corner with the weekend banner up there? It turned out great. I'm super excited about it. It all came together so nicely. Now I do have one more little bullet sticker to put back over on Sunday, and otherwise, if you can believe it, these come together so quickly when I already know my plans and I'm not adding any to-do lists or anything like that. So that's it, guys. It turned out great. I'm really excited about it. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment box below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much and make it a great day.